You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this doctor. If you want to learn more names from medicine, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn from and listen to. Gynaecologist. Let's break it down. Both British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Gynaecologist. Stress on that third ko syllable. Gynaecologist. How to pronounce in English? A doctor skilled in the treatment of women's diseases. That's the meaning, the pronunciation in English. Gynaecologist. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.